Trailing succulents are incredibly appealing and require minimal maintenance. They look best when placed on plant hangers or on plant stands, showcasing their long vines adorned with plump leaves. We have a selection of string of plants that you can add to your vining succulent collection. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're counting down the best string of plants perfect for hanging baskets and plant stands. These plants will thrive if they give them the right amount of light and water, and they will bring a touch of tropical beauty to your space. 17 Best string of plants for hanging baskets and plant stands. Number 1. String of pearls. String of pearls is a popular choice for hanging baskets. Its small pearl-like leaves make it a unique addition to any space. Number 2. String of dolphins. This plant is a fun and quirky addition to any hanging basket with its dolphin-shaped leaves. Number 3. String of bananas. String of bananas is a great choice for hanging baskets. Its bright green leaves and trailing stems make it a beautiful display. Number 4. String of fishhooks. This plant is perfect for hanging baskets with its unique fishhook-shaped leaves. Number 5. String of turtles. String of turtles is a cute and charming plant, perfect for hanging baskets and plant stands. Number 6. String of necklaces. This plant is a beautiful addition to any hanging basket with its delicate white flowers and trailing stems. Number 7. String of buttons. String of buttons is a great choice for hanging baskets. Its small round leaves make it a unique. Number 8. String of tears. This plant is perfect for hanging baskets with its long trailing stems and small white flowers. Number 9. String of beads. String of beads is a popular choice for hanging baskets. Its small bead-like leaves make it a beautiful addition to any space. Number 10. String of raindrops. This plant is a stunning addition to any hanging basket with its unique raindrop-shaped leaves. Number 11. String of corn. String of corn is a great choice for hanging baskets. Its bright green leaves and trailing stems make it a beautiful display. Number 12. String of spades. This plant is perfect for hanging baskets with its unique spade-shaped leaves. Number 13. String of arrows. String of arrows is a beautiful addition to any hanging basket with its arrow-shaped leaves. Number 14. String of frogs. This plant is a fun and quirky addition to any hanging basket with its frog-shaped leaves. Number 15. String of whales. String of whales is a great choice for hanging baskets. Its unique whale-shaped leaves make it a beautiful display. Number 16. String of dolphins variation. This plant is a stunning addition to any hanging basket with its dolphin-shaped leaves and trailing stems. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.